Welcome to Electra Mining 2024.
Welcome to Electra Mining 2024.
Hi guys, welcome to Electra Mining 2024.
Electra Mining is immense. It's the place to be. All the clients are here in one spot. Within 5 days, I've just taken 1 day out of my busy schedule to come and visit.
Our main function for the Innovation Center is basically a couple of things, maybe 3 things. We're looking at the safety as our most important item to look at. We're looking at efficiency, like what else can we do in order to speed up the process at the mine site, customer mine site. The other one is actually trying to find solutions to reach sustainable solutions for our customers in order to reach their goals. And I think this is also going to be a groundbreaker for many of our operations globally today, because we're going to remove an unsafe operation.
So wherever there's an opportunity like WIMSA, to partnership with them and create an audience and a platform to have conversations, important conversations for us to speak about the critical needs and growing needs of women in industry. So opportunities like this at Electra, we're always open and game for opportunities like this.